Hi, I'm Dr. Hahn, and I'm here to show you the new composite smart system called the Sectional Matrix System, designed by Composite Smart. And it's a new twist on the composite matrix systems that are currently being used. And no pun intended, but it's actually a twisted matrix band that, as you stretch it, it actually forces the outside part down around the gingival margin of the tooth. So we're going to show you how that works just in 1 second. First and foremost, we're going to place a nice, super thin, coated matrix band on the mesial of this tooth right here. Then we're going to place a wedge to secure the gingival 1/3 of that matrix band. Next, we're going to pick up our forceps, which we're going to use to open the clamp. Now if you look at it, you notice it twists open. The stress point isn't back here, but it just opens and closes. We then open it, insert it over the wedge, and let it do its job. Pulls right together. So really good marginal adaptation. And then you can bend this tab over onto the marginal ridge of the adjacent tooth, just like that. Now, this is how you pretty much insert the sectional matrix system. From this point on, it's just a pretty straightforward class 2 or class 2 restoration. And in this case, if we have a DO as well as we do in this case, we would usually just place a separate matrix band back here and a wedge before we put these on. So let's do that one more time. I'm going to take this off.
Then what about the rubber dam clamp, rubber dam functionality?
Absolutely. We're going to put the DO in, and then we'll show you how it also doubles as a rubber dam clamp, which is one of the best features of this product. So here we go. Since it is an MOD, placing the wedge. We're going to actually place this on the mesial part of the tooth. You can place it anywhere you'd really like. Just like that. And here's the great part. This is a straightforward Flexi-Dam from Coltine. Really great rubber dam. We did end up cutting it a little bigger, but you can use the hole at probably the average medium size. You stretch it over the clamp, over the one side, over the other side, and then we would either use some floss or something to secure the mesial tooth. And even if this comes over the posterior tooth, these tongs on the side act as retention for the rubber dam. So it's secured really nicely, and it's not going to slip over the tooth. These extend far further back and down than the traditional matrix band clamps would. This allows you now to either remove silver mercury or decay or place composite restorations in a dry field, and that is becoming more and more important in dentistry. So this is one of my favorite features of this product. Here's a couple more benefits. As long as you put the clamp or the forceps in the round holes on the clamp, you cannot overstretch the product. It is specifically designed so that at maximum stretch it's going to retain its resilience. I also developed this really nice matrix band remover. It has serrated edges on the inside, kind of like little shark teeth. It's made out of super light titanium, and you just grab and pull. Now most of the time you'll take out the wedge first, but as you probably know, these can get locked in pretty good. Of course they're coated, so they're not going to get locked in as well, but when they do, you know you have something that you can actually pull it out with. So that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward. I hope you try it. It's one of my favorite new products. It's not just a new type of matrix system. It's a new twist on the matrix system. It's a whole new type of design, so it's like its own little species. You're gonna have to try it for yourself.